All right, my neighbor's tractor she just bought does not run. You can kind of hear the solenoid engaging. It's got a good battery. We're just gonna kind of diagnose this real quick. Kind of think I might know what's going on with it. But we got 12 volts there. Charge that back up. But you can hear the excuse me, the solenoid. It's working. Wondering if that starter's just stuck. She said it was running. She paid $200 for it, so we'll see if we can. I'm going to take the cover off, see if I can't spin that around up in there. I don't know if anybody's replaced this or not. It might be stuck. I'm going to get this cover off, see if I'm getting voltage to the starter. I'll be right back. All right, I'm getting this cover off here. Get this out of the way. I wonder if that starter's kind of stuck. I tried jumping it with the screwdriver on the solenoid and it just sparked, so I'm kind of thinking the starter's shot. We will see here. Get all these bolts out of here. My extension hat. I think I need to get that off. Wow. There's a lot of bolts on this thing. Well, let me get this off and I'll be right back. All right, kind of got it up enough to, it's not stuck. So I'm gonna try jumping it, see what it does. Get a power pack or something and jump it, see how it goes. Be right back. All right, I just ran a jumper cable down to here. I think the starter's locked up. I'm gonna take it off and go from there. All right, we're going to try to jump this one more time. Yeah, the starter is bad. All right, we're going to get it in there on the bench and take a look at it. All right, got her in here on the bench. Let's take her apart, see what we got going on. locked up, I think. Oh boy. That's rough. Eesh. That's a mess. Yeah, look. Starter. Yep. Here's your problem. Busted up starter. So she's gonna need a new starter. Wow. Oh, that was an easy fix. Okay, all right. Now we know what's wrong with it. Talk to you guys later.